Elevator here, but this is not calculated.
Yeah, asuntoskäyttiölaiva.
And this is on Laivanvarustajankatu.
Yeah.
Skeppsrederigatan 8A and small letter A. Here in kunnallinen rikospari. Helsinki has 4 floors, 1 in Finland with 5 floors and Siemens H556. Built in 1926, was 1991. Also with some, this is also this type of, that I used as evergreen before.
Yeah.
Will be inspected in 2025. And it turned 95 years old in 2021. The amortization also turned 30 years old then.
Yeah.
I'll check with over to her. If it is the same one. Yeah, the same.
Yeah.
It's just another type of early evergreen
Yeah.
for Kone, but not the best possible, but still. The early evergreen that looks up MP4 is a lot better.
Yeah, of course.
Because it's much more rare.
Spektiitpaakin teet pääs Suomen hissirakoin.
This is also used too much in Sweden.
Yeah.
Oh. And I'm sorry I interrupted you. What were you about to say?
I already forgot.
Okay. But were you going to say the same about these buttons?
Yeah, probably.
But you said the inspector and
Yeah. I was going to say that these buttons are still better than eco-risk evergreen buttons, but still, and been for like buttons would have been much better.
Because they are more rare.
Yeah, and also look better. Because in old editors, the buttons are normally white or black, not grey. That's it.